Selling digital art online is one of the easiest ways to turn your creativity into income. No inventory, no shipping headaches, and you can sell the same design over and over again. Whether it's prints, templates, or digital downloads, it's a low-risk way to start making money online. And the best part is you don't need to be a professional artist to get started. With the right approach, you can create and sell digital art that people actually want without overcomplicating the process. So in today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to start selling digital art online for free using AI. You're going to learn how to create stunning digital art using Kittl's AI tools, how you can set up your online store, and the best ways to market and sell your designs without running ads. Let's get into it. So step one, we need to choose your digital art niche. So before creating your digital art, it's important to pick a niche so you can attract the right audience and make sales even faster. Instead of making random designs, focus on a specific style or theme that people are already looking for. Some profitable digital art niches include wall art and printables like minimalistic prints, abstract design, inspirational quotes. There's also t-shirt graphics. So that's AI generated artwork for print on demand t-shirts. There's even stickers and icons. So trendy designs for Etsy, Redbubble, or Shopify. There's also custom logo and branding kits, so digital templates for small business owners. Choosing a niche makes marketing and selling so much easier because you'll attract customers who are already searching for these types of designs. Once you've decided on a niche, it's time to start creating. So step two is to create digital art, and we're going to be using Kittl. Now that you've got your niche, it's time to start creating. And this is where AI can make things so much easier. Kittl is a super user-friendly design tool that helps you create amazing artwork, typography, and graphics in just a few clicks. You don't need to be a pro designer or spend hours figuring out complicated software. It's just a great way to bring your ideas to life without the frustration of having to be a designer. With Kittl's AI tools, you can generate unique AI art in different styles and formats. You can create custom fonts, logos, and illustrations. You can use ready-made templates for printables, posters, or even t-shirt designs. You can also export high-resolution files, and the best part is you can turn simple text ideas into beautiful, ready-to-sell designs in seconds. No need to spend hours tweaking every little detail. Just type in what you're envisioning and Kittl will help bring it to life. So if you want to check out Kittl, I left that link in the description, but we're going to go ahead and get started with the free trial. So we'll go ahead and click try Kittl for free. We'll go ahead and type in your name and email address and a password. We'll create free account. Make sure you have your email open because you will have to verify with a code. So now we can answer a couple questions. So it says which best describes you. We'll go ahead and do solo entrepreneur. What describes your experience? Maybe we'll do beginner. How'd you hear about us? Other. What do you want to create? I'm thinking we can create some prints. So now we are in. So what we can do is go ahead and click new project. And just so you are aware, everything is super easy and intuitive, but here are some designs that you can take a look at. There's also, you can see all your projects here. You can click templates here. There's also bookmarks if you have saved anything, and then here's some tools. So I want to generate with AI to make it easy peasy. Okay, so here are the templates. Okay, so now we're going to just delete that. Describe your image. Something that I purchased about a year ago were coffee prints for my little coffee bar that we have. So let's go ahead and do coffee. Let's just do a coffee cup. See what it comes out with. Oh, there we go. Click generate image, and then it comes up with a bunch of different options here. So again, you can create things from scratch, but AI just makes it a million times easier. So maybe we just want to have these so people can print this out. Easy. And if we wanted to show a mock-up, what we can do is click the mock-up button. If we wanted to see what it would look like, we can just select which mock-up we would like. So that's how easy it can be to create something with AI and go ahead and see what it would look like. And then if we go back to editor, we can go ahead and export here. But again, with Kittl, there is so many things that you can do. You can add text. There's even templates here. You can, again, search for other images that they have, and then you can use AI. You can also change texture, backgrounds, and you can edit almost everything about this. But again, if you want something quick and simple, just using the AI tool is going to get you something so quick and so easy. Yep. And then to export, all you do is go ahead and click export, and then you can decide the quality, the file type, and then you can go ahead and click export. So step number 3 is to set up your online store. So now you've got your digital art ready to rock. It's time to launch your online store. Instead of struggling with website builders or spending weeks on setup, Storebuild.ai makes it incredibly easy to get your store online in just minutes. It takes care of all the technical stuff so you can have a professional ready to go shop without the headache. No need to worry about coding or design, just focus on creating and selling your digital art while Storebuild.ai handles the rest. So I'm going to walk you through how to get set up with Storebuild, but just so you're aware of all their features. So with Storebuild.ai, you get an AI generated store design with a sleek modern look. You also get pre-built product pages, so you can just upload your digital art and descriptions. You also get automated Shopify setup, so you can start accepting payments instantly. You also get access to a smooth and easy checkout process for customers who are buying your art. And since your store runs on Shopify, you get access to built-in payment processing, secure hosting, and powerful marketing tools all in one place. If you want to get started with Storebuild.ai, I've left the link in the description, but what we're going to do is go ahead and click build my free store. So you will go ahead and type in your first name, an email, and a phone number and create free account. So next we're going to select which niche we are, and I'm going to go ahead and click home. We'll go ahead and go with a blue, so we'll pick that color. And then here we'll want to select the banner style. So let's go ahead and click here. Next, we're going to go ahead and get started with Shopify for free since it automatically connects. So what we're going to do is click register for Shopify. We're going to add in our email address. Use the same one that you used for the Storebuild.ai. Go ahead and create a password and create Shopify account. Now, Shopify is going to ask you a few questions, so you can go ahead and skip these or answer them, but Shopify just wants to get to know you a bit better. So we'll go ahead and say, where would you like to sell an online store? Which best describes you? I'm not selling yet. What do you plan to sell? We'll go ahead and click digital products. But again, you can decide all of that later. What you want to do is select a Shopify plan. You can choose this later, but to make sure there's no interruption between your brand new website and your Shopify account, I would recommend selecting one. And right now, if you use our link, you actually get the first 3 months for just $1 after the 3-day free trial. So I wanted to quickly just walk you through so you have a basic understanding of what these different plans are though. So as you can see, they've got the basic plan. And again, all these plans for the first 3 months, you can get for just $1. After that 3 months, it goes to $39 a month. And the credit card and the fees for this plan are 2.9% plus 30 cents and 2.6% plus 10 cents. And this is in person versus online. You also get the custom reports and analytics and POS Lite. The next plan is the basic plus POS Pro, and this is for enhanced in-person selling. So again, after the first 3 months of just $1 per month, it goes up to $128, and the fees are the same for this plan. You get the full online store, but you also get full in-person features like unlimited POS staff accounts, rich customer profiles, and advanced inventory management. Next is the Shopify Teams, and again, this is $1 for the first 3 months and then $105 after that. The fees do go down a bit, and you still get those custom reports, you get POS Lite, but you also get 5 additional staff accounts. Lastly is the advanced plan, and this is as your business scales. So after the first 3 months of $1 per month, it goes up to $399. And so with this plan, the rates go down even more. You get everything in the Shopify account, but you get 15 additional staff accounts and more options for global selling. So I highly recommend selecting one of these options right now. Now, all we have to do to connect to Storebuild is go ahead and copy that link, and we'll go ahead and paste that right here. Next, we do need to activate Zendrop, and Zendrop is completely free, but it's their AI tool that can load your store and link products directly onto your Shopify account. So all we have to do is go ahead and click activate, click install. You go ahead and make sure you use that same email. You'll go ahead and click install, and then you can click continue onboarding. Again, they make it super easy and straightforward, but if you do ever need a refresher, just save this video so you can come back and watch it again. All you have to do is click go live and your website is ready to go. So step 4 is to start marketing and selling your digital art. Now that your store is set up, it's time to start driving traffic and making sales. You don't need to run ads. There are plenty of free ways to market your digital art online. Here are some of the best ways to market your art for free. So first off, TikTok and Instagram Reels. As you probably know, people love watching art come to life. So share quick behind the scenes clips or time-lapse videos or even customer reviews to grab attention. Pinterest is also such a great option. It truly is a gold mine for digital art. So you can create pins that link to your store so people can easily find and buy your designs. You can also use Shopify and Etsy together. So if you're selling on Shopify, listing your art on Etsy can bring in extra sales while keeping your main store as your go-to. Next is YouTube Shorts. Short, satisfying time-lapse videos of your designs can help you reach your audience in a whole new way. Lastly is email marketing. I cannot emphasize this enough. Start collecting emails from people who love your work so you can send them updates, special offers, and new designs. Shopify makes this super easy. When you're marketing, focusing on showing your art in action, post mock-ups of your designs on walls, t-shirts, or digital planners to help people visualize how they can use them. If you stay consistent and post content regularly, you'll start seeing organic sales without needing paid ads. Selling digital art online is an amazing way to make some extra income without the hassle of inventory or shipping. And with AI tools, with platforms like Shopify, Storebuild.ai, and Kittl AI, it just makes it easier than ever. So if you've been thinking about setting up your online store and selling digital products, we've left all the links in the description below for you. And if you loved this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. I'd absolutely love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.